Hello guys, today we are back with a very knowledgeable, learned man, Dr. Jishnu from AIMS Delhi. So we'll be getting to know more about the disability certification, the benefits, the punishments, and some few more details from him. Alright, so let's start with the first question. So Dr. Jishnu, welcome to my channel. And so right now we are back to the question. So how do we apply for disability certificates?
Now the disability certification application is an online centralized process. So what we do, we apply online in the site called www.swallenberg.gov.in. So in the site we have to give the details of the person and his address and other details and regarding the disability he is facing, and the application will go to the centralized authority and will be verified by the medical officer or the concerned person, and depending on the location of his Aadhaar card or the hospital where he received treatment, the concerned authority will assign a doctor or a department for assessing his disability. So the person will be called from the hospital assigned for assessing the disability, and the disability assessment will be done by the assessment. They will give the percentage and he will get a unique disability ID, UDID card.
So it's like quite an easy procedure now. It's been made very convenient to the patients. The link I'll be shown in the screen or in the description box. Okay. So now, so what are the conditions that we can apply for disability certificates?
There are 21 conditions currently added to the list. Previously it was 7. It includes blindness.
Just like a few important things that you want to.
It includes the problems associated with vision and hearing, and locomotor disability. That includes a lot of items, and there is blood disease related.
Okay, blood disorders.
Blood disorders.
Is there something like renewal? Is it permanent, lifelong, or do we have to renew it?
During the assessment, the doctor, there are few conditions which can change over time. There are few conditions which are permanent. So depending on the case, the doctor, when they are assessing and certifying the disability, they will mark it as either a permanent or a temporary disability certificate. If it's a temporary disability certificate, then they have to renew the certificate depending on the time duration mentioned by the doctor.
So so there's something called benchmark that's been going over in the news right now. So what do you have to say about what's this benchmark disability?
Basically, when the person applies for disability certificate, he will be assessed on what the percentage of disability he has. So everybody will get a certificate, but there is a benchmark level that is 40% currently. So the person with benchmark disability means a person who has disability more than or equal to 40%.
Okay. And what is the benefit of getting benchmark?
Usually all the government benefits are given to the people with benchmark disability.
It's like for viewers who want to say something.
The benefits?
Yeah.
Basically there is free education for people with disability from 6 to 18 years. And there is some reserved disability, benchmark disability in higher education, usually not less than 5%. And for government jobs and the institution which is getting government aid, they should consider a reservation not less than 4% for the persons with disability. And they have priority in government schemes, poverty alleviation schemes. They will be getting preference. Who is the persons who is having benchmark disability.
So the benefit is both to the family as well as to the person with disability.
Yeah, like when the disabled person when he is buying a vehicle for him, he will get some tax benefits and income tax benefits also.
And what about the protection rights? What do you think? People with disability, like bullying in the workplace, do you think there is some protection given to them?
Yeah, there is protection given to people with disability, especially the crimes done against the persons with disability. Both imprisonment and fine, like in the initial crime will have a punishment of imprisonment up to 6 months and fine of 10,000. Like it will be up to 10,000, and the subsequent crimes will be punished imprisonment up to 2 years and fine up to 50,000 rupees.
All right. So that's it for today. And thank you so much, Dr. Jishnu, for enlightening us so much on this topic. All right. You have to say something?
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you.